I'm not worried about if we hit one of the other little bananas.
Alrighty, let's do it. Let's get this house winterized. I don't know where your grandmother is, but all right, let's go over here. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hold it. Hold it. Don't be scared. There you go.
That way?
Yeah, there you go. You hold one and you turn the other.
Yeah, you want to sweep that out?
No, I don't want to sweep it out.
No.
Wait.
Got it? All right, pull it back just a little bit. All right, go back. Keep on. Hold make it go faster than drill. All right, pull back. All right. Hold the drill faster. Stop.
All right. The next task is gonna be removing the poop and the soil.
Are you live? Or is it just...
No, we're not live. We're just recording. All righty.
One there, right there, killing me.
All right, we're gonna put one here. There you go. Just flop it.
Yep.
Good job. All right, let's go over here.
Maybe you can put it like right in here for Nana, okay? Yeah, right in here is good. The other bag going to the front?
Well, no, there's still more bags.
Okay, then we can take this one, and then if I can have Kathleen put it in here, and then we can do the handfuls around all this.
Yeah. I mean, there's still more bags. I just don't know if there's enough bags for the soil. All right.
All right.
This is how we do it in Florida. Gonna get all this ready for what this should have been done in November, but got a late start. Lemon trees have thorns in them. So basically you're cutting that in half. Half that bag is gonna go here. And then just make sure it doesn't touch the bark because that will burn the tree.
Like half like that, or you want half all the way around?
However you do it, just make sure half. While you do that, I'm gonna go clean around these, okay? So however you do it, it doesn't matter. If you want it, just make sure half goes there and the other half goes on this side. Yeah, you just keep watering that. Alrighty. We just got this in the front and that's it. Oh, and that's got to come down, that banana.
Yep.
So we're using the black dirt, black cow. Sometimes that's hard to get. And then we use that other cow manure there. All right. Just got topsoil for that one. Then of course we got to do the food. Topsoil there, black cow. She trimmed down the lemon tree from the disease, but she sees new growth. And the crazy thing is, if you live here in Lakeland, in our compost, we have 2 avocado trees that we're just gonna kill them. So if anyone wants an avocado, let us know. I don't know if that's the Haas avocado or the big one. But this is what you got to do. This should have been done in November, and then we're going to water the hell out of it. And we still got the front to do. Did you do that orange tree over there?
Yeah.
With topsoil and compost?
Not with topsoil, only compost.
Okay. Now it's when my water bill goes from $13 to $18. Because we got the water. So you put all that in. It's right now we're going through a dry spell, and you can see how grass did good on the 3 inches that you guys recommended. And all these are gonna get run over with the lawnmower. Alrighty, I'm gonna water that orange one back there. I'm gonna start with that one.
Oh, the orange tree?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you gotta go in there. You're gonna see it. It's gonna be like Harry Potter when the tree swallows him. There you go. You're gonna see all that new dirt underneath there. There you go. Yeah, just get all that. Make sure that sucker gets wet real good. I'm gonna start this side, and then when you're done here, we'll wrap that up, and then we'll water this side.
All right.
So we did all those. That's the mango tree. I think that's a mango tree. All these are lemon trees, banana trees. We did all those. And he watered it. And now we're finishing up our side. Ready, we are getting it. I was gonna say, don't worry about that little lemon tree.
Not. Well, it's going nowhere fast.
Yep. It's going nowhere real fast. We'll be dead. That's probably a male lemon tree.
Yep.
Some rain clouds. We got rain on Thanksgiving Day. I mean, it fooled us. All right, this came out real good. Oh, I gotta cut that down. I give him the honors
Okay.
to cut it down.
He's got to go from that side and cut outward
Okay.
because he ain't gonna have room.
I'll get him to cut up on the top, and I'll cut the bottom.
Okay, that's good.
All right, you ready to cut your first banana tree? Just put that on low. All right, leave that right there. That's good. All right, go get that machete that's over there in the ground.
It's on
Oh, I got mine's over there. It's already taken out. Let Nana, she's gonna help you.
All right.
Well, hold this hand and do it at the same time.
Yeah. All right. So
Hang on, let me get a good angle.
this is how I want you to kind of mimic Nana, okay? When we do it, we're gonna go down like this, okay? So bend your knees, not like this, because you're gonna hurt your shoulders and you're gonna hurt your back. So come on. And we gotta whack it now. Hard. There you go. Good job.
On
Try
an
to
angle.
hit the same spot. I know it's hard. I'm not worried about if we hit one of the other little bananas.
That's how they do it in Puerto Rico.
Man, see the water coming
You gotta
out of
grow up. Yeah, don't let that juice get on you, and don't touch that juice because it will stain you forever.
it? Go ahead, Killian. Just remember,
You-
Nana's behind you. All right, try to come this way, darling. Oh, Nana's gonna try to hold the tree.
That's it.
Yeah, but you gotta move. Nana, no. You were right. I want you to kind of cut this way. I don't care if you cut the leaves on this one. That will grow back, darling. Gotta do it hard, Killian.
There you go.
That's the boy.
There you go. That's it.
Timber. Now you can cut the rest of it if you want.
I'll cut that there. He can cut the leaves off. I'll cut the stump. Up there. Go up. No, where your grandmother's at. There you go. Yep. There you go.
There you go.
Yeah. And don't let that juice get on you.
No.
And just throw it on the grass because we're gonna cut it with the lawnmower later.
Okay.
Yep. There you go.
Even the banana thing?
Yeah.
Yep.
Cut the banana stem. You can cut it. There you go.
There you go.
Now grab that stem with one hand. Oop.
No, that's the edge.
There you go.
There you go.
All right, turn around.
Show her.
There you go. It's first banana tree.
Yep. Let's get
And
so
don't wipe your hands with that juice. We'll get you a rag. Hang on.
Did you get juice on you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, come on.
Oh, you fry those bananas there. You add salt to it and you squish them. And you make plantain chips.
Well, Anna's gonna have to show you guys some cool ways of doing bananas.
And then this will just be compost for the grass.
Yeah, so these would be right. Almost.
Yeah,
still
they're
not
all
the
ready.
way ripe.
Yeah, they're ready. I mean, they're turning yellow, but
Yeah.
they'll be a little bit sweeter.
Well, these suckers are hard.
Yeah, they're plantains. They're
Yeah.
they're ready.
They're ready.
Oh, you leave them for a couple days and they.
They'll turn yellow and then they're good to eat. I'll have to show you Mama how to do that because that's good eating right there.
Alrighty. Now I'll leave this like this because the water that's going to come out of this sap is going to go into the ground and refeed, and then it'll dry up like this and then it'll come out. So that's going to give some vitamins back to the other ones. And we are almost done. Literally. It's looking good. And the porch when I rearranged it. Kid is catching lizards and everything. He's taking a selfie with his lizard. That's what you gotta do, man. Get your kids out of the house. Get them away from that computer and cell phone and make some money. This kid does not care about cell phones, TV. He just wants to be out catching lizards and doing yard work. Everything is done. Front and back. Now it's just running that over with the lawnmower. Alright, she got all this done. This April trimming that we got. That over here. Yeah, that we trim in April because she still blooms. But we're good. And then she's going to put white stuff. This colorful one, which is a Florida native plant, we have a white one that's going to be back there. Who knows, might have to paint that house. But everything is done. Ready for the winter, ready for the freeze. They're watered down. You don't water as much in the winter time as you do in the summer. It might rain this week, so we will see. This has got a way to go. This ain't until nowhere till next year, if you survive. But that's it. No more avocado. They picked every one of them. But we did it, guys. We are ready for the next season. And you gotta have a kid like that works. My mom paid him because he did her yard. That's what I'm saying. Kids, you gotta get him out there. That kid don't even care about a cell phone. All he cares about is catching lizards and just working hard. Till the next one.